Hello, good morning everyone. Today we will learn about MS Excel. At the end of this video, you will able to understand the functions like rank, power, round, is odd, is even, is text, large and small functions. The rank function is used to find the rank from the given list. Its syntax is rank in bracket numbers comma reference comma order. The order may be either descending or ascending. To find the rank, so we have a marks scored in the total column, that is 247 to 246. Among these we must find the rank. So these are the numbers and we have to refer the same column. Therefore the formula will be is equal to rank. So here every number is compared to remaining numbers to find the rank. Therefore the first 247 value is in H3. So this H3 value will be compared from H3 to H7 cell. Therefore the range will be written $H $3 then $H $7. So here instead of writing this H3 to H7, we are specifying $H $3 and $H $7. It is because this value will be this range will be this reference will be the fix for every cell. So then put the comma and specify the either 0 or 1. 0 is for to display the ranks descending order. 1 is for display the rank in ascending order. So usually ranks are in descending order. Therefore the highest marks obtained will be the top. So therefore I will specify here a 0. So bracket complete. So now what I will do is I will just copy this formula. So you can observe 247 in this number is a second rank, 248 is a first rank, 220 is a fifth rank and 224 is in fourth rank, whereas 246 in third rank. This way we can use the rank function. The next function is a power. It is used to find the power of a number. So syntax is equal to power in bracket a number comma and the power. The power is nothing but the number which is placed on the head of the number. Now let us use. So here 10 is the base and 2 is the power. So to find the 10 to the power of 2, then the formula will be is equal to power in bracket the number is 10, that is a D3 and the power is 2, that is E3, bracket complete and enter. So it is nothing but 10 to the power of 2, that is 10th square, 100. Suppose if I change 2 by 5, then it will be this much. Suppose if I change the base as a 2, then this will be 32, that is a 10 to the power of 5 will be 32. So this way we use a power function. The large function is used to find an nth largest or nth highest value of the given array. For example, here 100 is a first largest value, whereas 45 is the second largest value in this list. The 34 is the third largest value. So these are very minimum numbers, so we can identify them easily. But if they are more number of values, then it is difficult to find their largest. Therefore, in such a situation, we can use large function. Now let us see how to use the large function. So here I will use is equal to large, so in bracket, so I use the range, that is array we can say, or the group of numbers, comma, so first largest value, so first largest, the first is indicating a nth number, nth largest, so nth largest value is 100. Similarly, to get the second largest, then is equal to large, so in bracket, same range, comma, second, so second largest is 45. Then third largest will be is equal to large, in bracket, range is same thing, comma, third largest. Third largest is 34. Similarly, fourth largest can be found large, in bracket, range or array, comma, fourth largest. 9 is the fourth largest. So this way we can find a largest of the numbers in their list by use of large function. The small function is used to find the nth smallest value of a given number of a list or given range. It is the opposite of large function. So to find the smallest of 1th place, then is equal to small, in bracket, specifies the range, then put the comma and write 1. So here, as per our view, the smallest number is 4. So here we will get 4. The similarly next is equal to small, in bracket, range, or second nth number is 30. So this way we use a small to find nth smallest number. Iseven function is used to find the number is even or not. If the number is even, then its output is true, or else its output will be false. For example, so this is number. Let us check whether it is even or not. So to check, the formula will be, or the function will be, is even, then the number, that is 23. So as far as 23 is odd number, then it will give false. Suppose if I write here 2, which is an even number, then it will give you a true. Even if I write 10, 10 is also even, then it will give you true. If I write 15 here, then it will give you a false, because 15 is not even. So this way we use is even function to determine whether the number is even or not. Isodd function is used to find the number is odd or even. It is opposite of is even. So using is odd, let me find the 30 is an odd or not. So for that, the function will be is equal to is odd. So in bracket specify the address of 30. So it's saying that it's in a form. 30 is an odd. Suppose if I make it 40, then it is also odd. Suppose if I make it 39, then it will say yes, is odd. It is a true. If I write 1, is also odd. If I make a 2, then it will say it is a false. So if I make it as a 3, then it is said a true, because 3 is of odd. So whenever it will find the odd, then it will give you a true. Whenever it will find a even, then it will give you a false. So this way we use is odd function to determine whether the number is odd or not. Next function is a number. Is used to find whether the cell is having a number or not. If the cell is having a number, then it will give you a true. Otherwise, it will give you a false. So let us check. So 12 is a number. So then it give you a true. Now let us find it. Is equal to is number cell address. It gives you a true, because 12 is a number. Suppose if I write here Belgium or BEL, then it will give you a false, because BEL is not a number. So this way is number is used to find whether the number is a number or not. This function is used to find the cell value is text or not. If the cell value is a text, then it will give you a true, or else it will give you a false. So let us use that function. So now the cell is having some text value. So let me check this is a text or not. So here I'll use a function that is istext. Istext. So I will check this cell content. So it is saying that is a text, so that is giving a true. Suppose if I write here some number, say that 45. So 45 is not a text, then it will give you a false. Suppose if I write another number 78, now also I will have a false. Next I will write one more number, one more text. So CDSX, this is also true because the CDSX is a text. So this way we can get whether the content of cell is text or not. The round function is used to take the round figure of a number. For example, if the number is 12.456, so this can be rounded in this way, is equal to round in bracket the decimal number, that is 12.456, so comma, I want to round, so here totally 3 digits I have. So if I write here 2, then third digit, that 6 will become 0, that is 456 will become 450. If I make it 1, then it will become 500, because 456 is nearer to 500. Suppose if I make it 356, then it will become 400. Suppose if I make it 100, that is 3116, then it will become 300. So this way we can make a rounding of a number. In this video only this much. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet you again with next part of MS Excel. Until then, take care. Bye bye.